Now let's go back to the pin application. Let's correct this little problem that I created. And what I was trying to do now is that this joint right here is what I'm aiming at, and I want to look at that. It's more this surface right there that I'm looking for, but that is the glenoid fossa. And I know this is taking me some time to do, but ultimately this is the lesson today, and we're about to be finished, that when we take one side of the joint, the glenoid fossa, and then the head of the humerus, we call this the glenohumeral joint. That's how we call it. We just name the joint glenohumeral joint. Okay, that's a little bit rugged, maybe a lot rugged, but when you name a joint, just name both sides of it and you'll probably be pretty close. And that's the lesson for today. And one of the things that we learned is if we want to get out of the pin application and then be able to manipulate the skeleton, we can do that, and we can take it right back to that surface that we wanted. Notice that the glenohumeral joint, this glenoid side, is a very shallow side, and so it's actually built up with a cartilaginous rim, a labrum, that allows the head to have more surface to contact. All right, one day at a time. Thank you for coming.